Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will learn how to handle error in Visual Basic 2010. Error handling is an essential procedure in Visual Basic 2010 programming because it can help make the program error-free. An error-free program can run smoothly and efficiently, and the user doesn't have to face all the sort of problems such as program crash or system hang. Errors often occur due to incorrect input from the user. For example, the user might make the mistake of attempting enter a text to a box that is designed to handle only numeric value, such as the weight of the person. The computer will not be able to perform arithmetic calculation for text, therefore will create an error. These errors are known as synchronous errors. Therefore, a good programmer should be more alert to parts of the program that could trigger errors and should write errors handling code to help the user in managing the errors. There are two techniques to handle error in VB 2010. Let's see one by one. First is the on-error go-to syntax. Visual Basic 2010 still support the VB6 error handling syntax, that is the on-error go-to program label structure. So now let's see the example of on-error go-to label. Here we have generated one click event, and on that we are dividing number by second number. If number is not entered and text is entered, then it will generate the error. So now let's see each statement one by one. Here we have started on error go to error handler. This is the label which will execute if error occurs. Now this is the code which likely to generate the error. If second number is text or first number is text, then division can't be possible, so it will generate error. Now here is the label error handler, and we have to specify by colon. So when the error occurs, this will execute, and we are setting different label property when error generates. We are setting lbl answer.text is equal to error, and we are making this label to visible and making the labels text property to one of the entry is not number. Try again. So this is about on error go to label. Now let's see most familiar and most used try catch and end try approach. This is a new approach provided by VB 2010. The structure looks like this. First we have to write try, and in between try and catch we have to write statement which might generate errors. We have to write catch exception variable, which is the temporary variable, as an exception, and statement to deal with the exception. Here we have to write statement that deal with this exception, and finally we have to write end try. Now let's see example of this try catch and try block. This is the same example which we have seen in previous type. So we have written the code that might generate error in try block, and to handle that error we are writing the code or statement in catch and end try block. So this is about error handling in Visual Basic 2010. It is very easy to handle error in VB.NET. So this is all about handle errors in VB.NET. Thank you.